Hey, dads! Are you struggling to make ends meet with your 9-to-5 job? Are you looking for a way to supplement your regular income with a passive income stream? Well, listen up! Because I have some exciting news for you. My good friend, Robbie Blanchard, the #1 affiliate marketer on ClickBank, has created a simple 3-step system that has helped ordinary people with zero tech skills make over $100 million together. And the best part? He's sharing this system with you in a time-sensitive report that you can download right now. But that's not all. He's also going live soon with a tell-all-free training on this exact system. And the only way to get access to it is by downloading the free report. Trust me, this is life-changing information that you don't want to miss out on. So, drop everything and click the link in the bio or description to grab your free copy of the report and register for the live free training. I'll be there, and I expect it to fill up fast. Don't wait! Take action now and start creating the passive income stream you deserve.